Hey everyone, Kyle here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about 7 ways you can invest your money to ultimately make it work for itself and have it grow through investments. So before we get into this video, if you're interested in making another source of passive income, my company Whitetree Capital does exactly that. Go to whitetreecapital.com and fill out the form to speak with me. So now let's get into the 7 ways to invest your money, and make sure you do your own research before you do any of these investments. The more informed you are, the better you're going to do. So let's talk about just 7 ways you can start investing your money to make more money. So method number 1 is going to be the stock market. So this is a very obvious way to invest your money. You can invest it into equities of companies. There is the Fortune 500 list where you could choose from the 500 biggest companies to ultimately purchase their stock. And there's 2 main ways of making money through this: through growth of equity, so growth of stock price, or through dividend payouts. They're both different strategies you can use, and whatever suits you best, you should go for that one. Now let's talk about method number 2. Method number 2 is going to be real estate. So real estate is another option you can use for investing your money. And just like stocks, you could either grow it from appreciation, so real estate price appreciation, or you could do it from monthly payments, just like dividend payments you would get from a stock. You could rent it out for monthly payments where you make monthly cash flow on this. There are also other advantages to real estate, like tax reasons. So real estate is a really good way you can invest your money. Ultimately, make sure your understanding of interest rates, location, all the factors that go into making a real estate investment successful. Next is method number 3, and this is going to be peer-to-peer lending. So this is another option of lending your money out to ultimately charge interest to have your money work for you. So make sure you do all the research on doing this properly and make sure you're not committing any crimes, but essentially you could lend your money out peer-to-peer and make money and interest payments from this. Because interest rates have risen a lot in 2023, this could be a very good way to make your money work for you and ultimately make interest off your money. So this is another idea for how to invest your money. Method number 4 is going to be treasury bills and bonds. So these are a little bit different, but have the same sort of payout and same mechanism of where you essentially pay money to either treasury bills where it's the government or bonds where it's corporations. What you do is you get a fixed payment back. And I know treasury bills for around the 1 year are right around 5%. So this is a very good way you can look at investing your money. Like I said, treasury bills are at 5%. And these are the only risk-free investments you can make to invest your money. And then there are bonds, which you could invest into the bonds of very stable companies and get a guaranteed payout for both of these. So these are great if you're more risk averse in investing your money. Next, method number 5 is going to be mutual funds. So these are groups of securities you can invest in. So it could be a group of stocks, which you ultimately just invest in one mutual fund. And what they do is they diversify the portfolio, allowing you to hedge your bet against a bunch of risks. Say you only invest in one stock and that stock goes out of business or the company goes out of business, you could lose all your money. With mutual funds, they are a pool of different securities. So just think of a pool of different stocks. And this allows you to be more risk averse and more diversified for investing your money into a mutual fund. So now we're on to method number 6, and this method is investing in your own business. So you could invest in other people's businesses and real estate. This is really other people's assets. Number 6 is one of my favorite ways to invest, and the way I'm investing a lot, and that is investing in your own business. You could invest in marketing, you could invest in sales, you could invest in new products, inventory, hiring more people. There are many different ways to invest your money into your own business. And this is one of the best ways, in my opinion, to generate super high returns is investing in your own business. You can invest in things like Facebook ads, Google ads, content marketing. There are tons of different ways to invest in your own business to ultimately make more money for yourself. And now we finally have method number 7. And let me go ahead and do this. And this is to invest in yourself. So just like your business, you could invest in yourself. And this is going to be things like books, training, improving your skill set, improving your mindset, improving your appearance. There are many different ways to invest in yourself, but ultimately the goal of this should be to improve your skills so you can make more money. And there are many different ways to do this. Like I said, with books, training, even your appearance is a great way to invest in yourself to ultimately make more money. So those were the 7 big ways of investing so you can make more money. 5 of these are going to be more typical investments. 2 of them, like your business and yourself, are going to be less typical. But all 7 of these ways, if you do the proper research and have the proper knowledge, can definitely help you in making more money with your money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and subscribe for more YouTube content exactly like this.